Welcome back to another video. Today I have a beautiful craft haul for you. So without further ado, let's get the video started. Thank you. So firstly we have a stone texture paste in the shade Rose Milk, and next I got some craft pellets. These stones are ideal for creating texture on the projects. It gives very good result on the project. Next we have is white acrylic gesso. This gesso is really good for preparing the painting surfaces. It can be used on canvas, cardboard, wood, etc. And then we have is acrylic soft gel medium. I got this in the shade glossy. There are two options, matte and glossy. Next we have is a multi-surface paint. It is basically white paint. Next I got this amazing color splash in the shade hot pink. And then what we have is craft epoxy compound. This also works on basically all the mediums like frame, wood, nameplate, etc. This is a silicone mold and I got the numbers. I think this is very versatile. So all of this is the basic mixed media supplies. Next I got this stencil. I swear this stencil is so cute. This is fairy sparkle embellishment which is already pre-cut, and as you can see it's all sparkly and it has this beautiful fairies and the fairy house and mushroom house and whatnot. Very beautiful. Now if you are a crafter you already know what tacky tape is. This is a very strong adhesive. It's a clear tape, this double-sided clear tape, very good for all the projects. Next up we have is metal microbeads in the shade summer gold. I got these are very small microbeads and I got it in the shade golden because I think it goes with all the project. I can use it at a lot of places. Next we have is Montmartre palette knife. This is size 6. And then we have is the blending sponge brush. This is also really good. I really liked it. I wanted to try it once actually. So let's see how it's going to work. This is a very beautiful fairyland element sheet. This comes in a pack of 2, but I love the beautiful fairies, the ring, the palace. So beautiful and colorful tag sheet actually. So I just loved it. Then next we have is the paperback Chevron in Aquarelle. This is a very beautiful paperback. I've already used it once. I just got done. You can check the project I made using this. I'll put the link in the description. So very beautiful, very vibrant and bright colors. Next we have a Celebrate Life design pack. I will show you how it looks from inside. You see the beautiful tags and everything. So pretty. At last we have some primed chipboard. So these are already primed. We don't need a gesso to just prime it. You can directly use it for your project. You can paint it, emboss it, and